name is Zeph Walsh and I'm an Airspeeder pilot. I want to be the first person in the world to cross the finish line.
It may be a totally new sport, but it's also the dawn of a new form of transportation. In the cities of the future, we're going to be seeing not just one or two air taxis. There will be hundreds. So we need to develop a system to make that safe.
Airspeeder came to us to help with an augmented reality system, a way of layering visual data over a real environment. In this case, we started by mapping that environment to create a 3D setting in which the pilots can practice.
It's actually as integral to what we do as developing the vehicles themselves and the communications network, because without trained pilots who know what they're doing, it's just not going to work.
But when it gets super interesting is when we create a virtual racetrack to allow the pilots to race around a real environment safely and fast.
That augmented reality, driven by our partnership with Telstra Purple, is taking the data rapidly from the speeder, going through a race server, and then overlaying to the pilot what they need to know right now that helps them either win the race or avoid colliding into another vehicle.
As a pilot, I've had a lot of meetings with the Telstra Purple team to develop the heads-up display, giving my feedback on how these elements that are on the screen affect my ability to pilot.
If that's up in the air where it's supposed to be, then I'm not going outside of track limits. That's what we need.
These types of augmented systems have applications right across industry. What we're doing here applies to everything from mining, defence to aviation, to reduce risk and increase expertise.
One of the most exciting parts of working in Telstra Purple is we're doing all of this in Australia. This is the future.